Okay, let's check out those Windows services. This is a Windows 11 ARM operating system, or it's the 64-bit ARM version that is specifically made for things like the Mac OS running the M1, M2, M3, M4, M5 series. And if you try to virtualize or emulate a typical Windows 11, which is made for the AMD 64 or x86 architecture, is going to run very slowly. So you're going to have to utilize the ARM version of Windows 11 if you virtualize it on a MacBook with the M1 architecture. Taking a look here, this is exactly like a Windows 11. This is Windows 11. So to get to the services, we can go to the Start panel right there, and then we can just type in Services. And even before we stop typing, Services comes up here. Technically, you're supposed to say Services MC, but it's the same thing. Services is right there. We're going to click on that. As you can see, here is a listing in one little almost like widget or applet of all the services. And what we're looking for is IIS, Internet Information Services, and it is Microsoft's official web server ARM. And what we are looking for is the worldwide web publishing service, also known as W3SVC, and we see WSL service, not quite the same thing. So we're looking for it here, and I do not see worldwide web publishing service. So obviously it's not being run. So let's go ahead and turn it on. We're gonna abandon that. We're gonna close it out. We're gonna go back to our start button, and then we're gonna get to our control panel. We're just going to type in control panel, and we can see control panel is right here. Click on it and wait for it to come up. Now this is a virtualized server. It's not bare metal. So things might be running a little slow, as you can see. And we're going to then go to System and Security. And then we are going to, let's see, Power Options, Storage Spaces, Security and Maintenance. Let's do System. And something tells me that's not it. Let's go back. I'm going to X this out. And where did I see it? Security and Maintenance. And it is not here. What we're trying to do is we are looking for turning Windows services on and off. I know I saw it here. Turn Windows features. Here it is right here under Programs and Features. Turn Windows features on and off. And we're going to go all the way down. Well, I said we don't have to go all the way down. We're going to go to Internet Information Services. Now, notice we also have Internet Information Services hostable web core. Okay, that is something related, but something slightly different. Now, under Internet Information Services, we can click on the plus sign to focus in on it, and we can see there are different services underneath Internet Information Services. We have FTP server, web management tools, and worldwide web services. And then we can go and we can dive deep dive in case we want to do anything specific. It might be interesting one day to take a look at security and things like that. But anyways, we want to enable Internet Information Services as a whole. We're going to go ahead and click that. Now, when we go to OK, it might pause because it is searching for the required files, and then it will have to install those files. So it's just going to be a minute, and it is applying the changes. And we're just still waiting here. It's applying the changes. And Windows completed the requested changes. We're going to close out. And we're going to X this out. Okay. And now we're going to go back into services. And let me click on that. And now we're going to go down and we're going to look for Worldwide Publishing service right here. And we can see the status is running. So this is how we can utilize host artifacts to verify the running of services.